Welcome to ZingKidz.
General knowledge. What is the color of the sky? Blue is the correct answer. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes is the correct answer. Which animal says meow? Cat is the correct answer. What do you use to write? Pencil is the correct answer. What is the opposite of big? Small is the correct answer. What is the shape of a circle? Circle is the correct answer. What do you do with a book? Red is the correct answer. Which bird can swim but cannot fly? Duck is the correct answer. What do you use to cut paper? Scissors is the correct answer. What is the color of a banana? Yellow is the correct answer. Which month comes after January? February is the correct answer. Which animal says oink? Pig is the correct answer. What do you use to drink water? Glass is the correct answer. What is the shape of a square? Square is the correct answer. What color is a stop sign? Red is the correct answer. Which fruit is red and round? Apple is the correct answer. What do you wear on your head to keep warm? Scarf is the correct answer. What animal has a long trunk? Elephant is the correct answer. What do you do with a football? Kick is the correct answer. What do you use to brush your teeth? toothbrush is the correct answer. What is the color of grass? Green is the correct answer. Which day comes after Sunday? Monday is the correct answer. What animal lives in water and says ribbit? Frog is the correct answer. What do you use to eat soup? Spoon is the correct answer.